Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we are going to show you how you can create a summary for your video meetings and video recordings in Loom app. So let us get started. Head over to your video library on Loom, select a given video, click into it and open it in the video editor here. Then scroll down and below the video preview window you will see the summary tab here. Click into it and start creating your summary of meeting with team 01 or something like that. And that's it. As you can see, there's no limitation to characters or to the number of characters, so use it like a video description box or summarization. If you'd like to delete the summary, click into this button, and once that's done, the video summary will be listed and visible also anywhere you share your video and recording in, like for example in a specific space here on Loom. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.